welcome back to another vlog. So today I gotta go get a SD card for my other GoPro right here, the Hero 8. I had an SD card for it, but I don't know where I put it, so I gotta go get another one for that. And I'm gonna wash the car. I'll show you guys the air filter today because I didn't show you guys that. And I will also, well, there's no really point because I already put it on, so the 3M tape, so there's no really point of showing that. And try to get some driving footage. Hopefully you enjoyed the last video. If we get 100 subscribers by this time next month, I will upgrade the camera and get a DSLR, maybe a full frame camera, so the quality is better. Right now it's not really, I wouldn't say bad at all. It's a Sony ZV-1 and they got an external microphone on it right now, but I haven't been using it because I feel like it picks up a lot more wind noise and stuff, even though it has a wind muff on it, which I don't know. But without it, it still sounds pretty good. So I'm going to be pulling the car out in a minute here to go do that. And I'll see you guys when I get a cold start on the vehicle. So guys, I'll show you this air filter real quick. There's the new air filter right there. All nice and shiny, good looking. The other one was, you couldn't see through like that. I just picked up a new amp. I'm not going to use the one I got. I got this new Kicker 1600 watt amp that I'm going to use instead because I think it's better. So I'm going to get that installed next week and then we can do a sound test on that. And hopefully it sounds really good. I'm currently probably going to go get some food because I'm starving. Got the new camera angle on top of the head, boys. It's not new, I just haven't used it before. I don't know about that whole car wash thing. I got a thing at home. Might just do it there. So, gonna tomorrow. I did pick up that SD card though for the GoPro, so I don't know why I didn't mount that in the window. You probably wouldn't see anyway, so.
Mustang actually has some pretty good kick to it. I mean, I found out the other day it does a rolling burnout, so that's pretty cool. I figured it would. I don't know, it's not that slow. It just has low gears, and the gears need to be adjusted because it has most of the power at the low end, and it doesn't go like past, like if you're taking on the highway, which I've never done, well, if you would, it doesn't probably be in the very right lane because it doesn't like go, the mile per hour doesn't go that high. Like this car should be able to go to like 140 something, and it only goes to about probably like a little over 100. The guy who owned it before, he used it to drag race just to go down this track, so it's not really aimed for top speed, it's aimed for acceleration and how fast you can get down the track. Another nighttime POV. It seems to I always drive this car more at nighttime. I'm like, I gotta go out and drive during the day, record a video and something, and then it always turns out that by the time I do get out and do everything, it's nighttime. It seems to work like that all the time, and I don't know. Just get sidetracked, and then I don't go out till late at night. And then if I try to record myself, you can't see crap. So this new camera angle though is fire though. I approve 110%. Every time you drive past someone and they see this camera on top of your head, you're probably like, what is that kid doing? Having some fun. Don't mind me. I totally didn't go over that line. They got G-Wagons at that house. G-Wagons, Porsches, you name it. It's at that house. Just kidding. Not everything. But they got like two G-Wagons, a Porsche. Nuts. I was going down the road yesterday too, and I saw a freaking Ferrari on that road. You don't see them around here. See a lot of old cars. Camaros, Mustangs. Well, to be honest with you, no. Honestly, I've seen more Ferraris than I have old cars. Like, for instance, I seen a Ferrari yesterday, and then the day before that, for the first time ever, I saw a Lamborghini Urus, and then last week, I was like, man, I've never seen a Ram TRX ever in my life. Going down the street, there's a blue one. I'm like, oh. Go down the street even more, there's a white one. I'm like, they're everywhere.
and I decided not to go to the car wash. And I did manage to get another amp. I'm gonna save that other one for something else, but use this one, kicker. Do a little unboxing for you. I also got this 1600 watt amp wiring kit to wire this. So do a little unboxing here. Get a kicker, Live and Loud certified power. What? Reminds me of like a certificate you get at school. Then it comes in this packaging. And this one's actually a lot smaller. The other one was $2,500, but this one's actually more expensive. You got ports over here, input, output, input level, gain, X over, bass boost, and right here for a remote for it, bass controller for it right here. Right here it tells you if it's powered on by the light, and this one should be a lot better, I believe, because I know someone who installed one from Walmart, ended up taking it back because it didn't sound too great. You also get some mounting screws and an Allen wrench, and then you get this little piece. It's like a mounting bracket for something right there. Yeah, and kicker audio system. Gonna be real nice to install on the car. And then you got the wiring kit. Save it for the person who's installing it. That's it. Kicker CXA 800.I 1600 watt max. This is going to be the end of the vlog. If you guys did like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share, do all that. And if you made it this far in the video, comment down below. Skirt, skirt! And don't forget, if we get to 100 subscribers by this time next month, so October 18th, I will buy a new camera, DSLR, full frame camera, to make the content even better. And that is all. I will see you guys in the next upload tomorrow.